Good evening from Memphis. It's about 1:45 a.m. on the early morning hours of August 30th, 2022. And it's a mostly cloudy night. There's been some storms here and there. Just saw some lightning. I'm outside in my parking lot near my apartment. And a quick video as Jupiter is poking through the clouds. And it's just really cool, so I'm going to talk about Jupiter as long as it's visible. It's the fifth planet out from the sun, 500 million miles on average, 80 known moons. It's got a ring system, 318 times the mass of Earth, and takes 12 years to orbit the sun. It's the brightest object in the night sky after the moon and Venus. It's the third brightest object in the night sky, so that's pretty cool. And the James Webb Space Telescope was taking some awesome pictures of it. Right now it's going behind the clouds. So I'll just wrap this up by saying that we've got a probe orbiting Jupiter right now called the Juno spacecraft that's also sent back just some amazing pictures, some really cool scientific data. I'm going to pan over here to the east where it's been storming. And it's still orbiting. It's been orbiting since 2016. There's some storm. I'm looking out toward the east. Jackson, Tennessee seems to get a lot of rainstorms that pass through here. They don't always hit here, but Jackson just seems to get a lot of them. There's some faint rumbling. There's some storms in the area. We might actually get one tonight. But the one I'm looking at here that's occasionally flashing is off to the east. But nevertheless, I had a very successful day today. And I'm going to try to get up early again tomorrow, even though it's late tonight. I'm just enjoying it outside here so much. Watching this thunderstorm and observing the planets when they come into view. Again, Jupiter has been a very prominent night sky object all ancient cultures because it's so bright, and also it can be either near the sun or far from the sun, unlike Venus, which is always relatively close to the sun because it's inside the orbit of Earth. And the temperature out at Jupiter is only minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not inconceivable that we could deal with those cold temperatures whenever we make it out that far. There's no doubt in my mind that we have the capability to land on some of Jupiter's moons. It might be a stretch right now, but it's something that if we stay on track, I know as a civilization, I have confidence that we could accomplish such a thing. Again, this is the early morning hours of August 30th, 2022 in Memphis.